Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by preparing the phone. Charge it above half and remove SIM and micro SD. Once ready, learn the exact hardware combo for your model, power plus volume up or down, because this is what opens recovery. If you can, connect a computer and try ADB to pull critical files first. It's a last chance to back up. Once you hold the key combo, watch the boot logo and release at the recovery menu so you can choose the reset option. Once in recovery, you use the volume keys to move and power to select. This tactile interaction avoids entering a password. Select wipe data/factory reset and confirm when prompted, because this removes user locks and app data. If the device is encrypted and the reset fails, first wipe cache partition and then attempt the factory reset again. This clears temporary system files that can block the process. Make sure you follow on-screen confirmations carefully so you don't cancel mid-operation. You finish by selecting Reboot System Now. Expect a longer first boot as Android rebuild settings. If the device prompts for the original Google account, that's factory reset protection. You must sign in with that account or use account recovery. If you hit a boot loop, go straight back into recovery and repeat the factory reset, or try a full reflash from the manufacturer's images. For persistent failures, contact the device maker. They can verify ownership and guide a bypass or repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.